Hey folks, this is Gadget, back with this Amiga 1000 I've been working on. So I did a bit more digging on this thing, and yanking out this CIA chip and populating these two ROM sockets with correct ROMs got this into a state where it's now inconsistent. Um, Sometimes it'll boot up and the CPU actually starts executing some code. It'll run for a little bit and then halt. That's a really good sign, but sometimes I power it up and it either will just go into an immediate halted state or into a floating state. Um, so I'm trying to figure out what that's all about, why it's inconsistent. That has me re-questioning the power supply. So I'm going to try to take a look at what voltages are doing. As it's powering up, it could be fluctuating, causing some issues there. The other thing I tried is I did remove these two Kickstart ROMs that were here. They're out of the way now, but it didn't change anything. So at least I'm not worried about these things, but it didn't solve any sort of problems. I've got new chips on order for the CIA I took out of here, as well as for the Denise chip here, since both of those had tested bad. So I'm going to swap those out once I get the new parts in, and we'll see how things go. Beyond that, if that doesn't solve issues, I'm going to be spending a lot of time digging into schematics and seeing what's up with this thing. Anyway, thanks for following along, and I will talk to you next time.